Welcome to Inventions World. Today, we're diving into the future. These are the top 5 humanoid robots mastering complex tasks today, blending cutting-edge tech with real-world applications. First up is Tesla Optimus Gen 2. This advanced humanoid has been filmed balancing, sorting colored blocks, performing yoga-like poses, even folding shirts. Tesla aims to begin producing limited units in 2025, with possibly over 1,000 deployed in their facilities soon. Next is Atlas, redesigned as a fully electric humanoid. Boston Dynamics is preparing its deployment in Hyundai factories in 2025, showing off unprecedented agility and versatility. Digit is built for the warehouse. With an 8-hour battery and AI navigation, it's already working in a Spanx warehouse in Atlanta, moving containers and learning from real operations. Figure O2 by Figure AI is a humanoid with super dexterous hands and high torque joints, tackling tasks like assembly and logistics with remarkable precision. Finally, AgiBot A2 and its siblings from China are mass-produced humanoids designed to handle fine tasks like threading needles, while embracing open-source designs to accelerate development. These 5 robots represent the best of humanoid robotics today, from factory floors to warehouses, from labs to commercial rollout. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content.